Alright, go ahead. Good. Hey everybody, so here's the old one. As you can see, it's pretty destroyed. This is the inside edge. That's the outside that was exposed to the weather. And this is destroyed. This will probably bend right in if I put too much pressure on it, but I want to leave it. You know, but this took a real long time to get out. It was in there like that, and I was hammering away with it with a hammer and chisel, and it finally gave and bowed out like that and came out like so. So that was one piece at one time or another. Now it's destroyed. But hey everybody, after a long period of time, I finally got the new core plug in. It took a very long time to get the old one out. I'll show you the old one in a second, but I ran a bead of former gasket around the perimeter just to be safe. You know, can never be too safe with gasket sealer. But it actually kind of matches the original paint of the block, which is kind of funny. Anyway, it was a real pain to get the old one out. It took me like 2 hours and a lot of hammering, and as you can see, there's not much room to work in here, so it took a long time and it was a little bit frustrating, but it's in, and I haven't seen it leak yet, so hopefully it stays that way. Alrighty. A bit of a leak. Alright, go ahead. Good. Go ahead.